Hi everyone. Today we're going to share with you how to use the latest function in dgate, the turbo range function. What is turbo range? Essentially, turbo range is a way for us to invest in the volatility or the price movement of a particular crypto token. And dgate is very happy to present certain set of tokens which have recently come into the market, or X stocks. These are tokens that represent the different stocks that we see here. For example, Tesla, Nvidia, Circle, Apple. And the turbo range represents a way for us to invest in the price movements within a range. When the price moves within a certain range, this function feature allows you to collect fees for all the different swaps that are happening within that range, or many of the different swaps happening within that range. Let's take a look, for example, at Tesla, one of the favorites. If you click on Tesla, you can see a detailed explanation of what turbo range is. Let's say you invest 1,000 USDC in the Tesla USDC pool, and we set a range of 270 to 330. So the system will automatically help you to allocate your liquidity into this range. And when the price moves by people buying and selling within this range, you earn the trading fees. So if the price drops below, say, your lowest bar, then you hold Tesla plus the earned fees. If the price recovers, you can start earning fees again. If the price rises above 330 or the higher bar, you make USDC, you make a profit in USDC and any fees that you have. So, and this represents some of the underlying assets that you can look at with Tesla X stocks. So let's go into it without further ado. Let's try to set a turbo range. Okay, I'm going to try to invest. I like the look of Nvidia. Nvidia is looking good at the moment. Over here we have a looking good yield. So I'm going to try to invest USDC into Nvidia and see. Let's say I'm going to invest $1,000 into Nvidia, and the price range that they've suggested is looking good to me. I think that maybe this price range is looking pretty good. We can set the different prices. For example, maybe I'll tighten the range a little bit to see whether I can get a higher yield even. Okay, but I would, if you're starting out, you can try with the suggested range or the range that you think that your Nvidia will fall in. Okay, so looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and invest 1,000 USDC into this range. I'm gonna click continue. Confirm. There's a slight network fee here, but quite a lot of it is for Solana rent, which is refundable when you actually withdraw from this particular turbo range of Nvidia. Okay, let's go. Deposit. One of the cool things about dgate is that there's a multi-USDC pool. So when you deposit money from USDC, from Solana, from other chains like Ethereum, they go into the same pool, and you can use this pool to do many things, like, for example, depositing to the liquidity pool. Okay, so I'm done. There's a slight glitch here. View my position. Okay, so you can see that there is my active Nvidia position here. Look at that, and we're set. And hopefully I'll start earning yield 300% for the year in this price range, so long as the price stays constant. And if not, I'll be holding Nvidia stocks, which I think are going to go up in the long term, and wait for the bounce back to the range. And if it goes up high, great, I get USDC and trading fees. So it's a win-win. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for joining us for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.